Hello everybody, it is Thursday afternoon. The plumbers have finished yesterday. They did a very good job. They got all the plumbing done, the tub installed, the valve, the utility room, stubbed out the kitchen, the hot water heater. They got all that drain and water lines all in. The electricians, on the other hand, are still not finished, and they will be back tomorrow, Friday, to get everything wrapped up and get ready to schedule the inspection for Monday morning. So hopefully we will pass and start sheetrocking on Monday and Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Have it all mudded, textured, and get ready for painting on the weekend. So stay tuned, and we will get you more updates on the project as it goes along. Like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.